So first thing first, you need to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. So on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on the store icon. And then you want to click on all to see all the networks. And then you want to search for My Outdoor TV network. So you may just scroll down and search for My Outdoor network. And right here on the My Outdoor TV, you want to click on it. So you want to buy this My Outdoor TV to your membership by paying for $10 per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. So just click on next and then complete your purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And after you book the package, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then you want to search for My Outdoor. Right here on My Outdoor TV, you want to click on it. And then you may scroll down, and then on the live session, as you can see, you can start to watch the live session of the HuntStream and also the upcoming live session. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch HuntStream Network on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.